everyone, my name is Omar and this is Tamago and Friends. This week we're making a really quick and easy mac and cheese. In one large pot, fill halfway with water and begin to boil. While it's starting to boil, add salt. When your water becomes rippling with bubbles, add your pasta. Pay attention to the cook time on your box. You're shooting for under al dente. Stir your pasta water for a few seconds to prevent any pasta from sticking to the bottom. Now we're going to make our cheese sauce. On a separate part of the stove, get one medium-sized sauce pot. In your sauce pot, add equal parts butter and flour. For example, if you get 4 tablespoons of butter, you're adding 4 tablespoons of flour. As the butter melts, the flour is going to cook. Once your flour is cooked thoroughly and your mix is about a golden brown, go ahead and add some cream or milk. You can start off with about 2 cups. Essentially, you want your sauce to look like a sauce. Once those ingredients come together, add your seasonings. I would recommend the following seasonings: cumin, garlic powder, cayenne, ground mustard, and salt. Stir these seasonings into your sauce. Next, grab your cheese. This can be store-bought cheese, or it could be pre-shredded cheese, or cheese that you have shredded yourself. After adding your cheese, whisk together. Next, you're gonna add some sour cream. After you add a little bit of sour cream, stir and then taste. Add whatever you need to make your mac and cheese your own. Check your pasta and make sure it's done. If it is done, drain your pasta water and keep it inside of your larger stock pot. Once your pasta is ready, add your bechamel sauce into your pasta and stir around. Here, make sure that your pasta and your bechamel sauce taste well together. If you need to season it again, do so. It is here where you can add an egg or 2 to your mac and cheese. Some people like it, some people don't, so it's up to you if you want to add it. Lastly, I add more cheese. Here, you can add your mac and cheese to your baking dish. Start by adding all of your pasta into the baking dish, and then add a layer of cheese and Parmesan breadcrumbs on top. Place inside your oven for 375 degrees for 20 to 30 minutes. You can sit in front of the oven if you want to. Trust me, it's gonna look good. And there you have it. You have a quick and simple mac and cheese. Pretty good for any night this week if you need it to go with any other entrees, or you can have it by itself. If you like this video, please give us a like and comment down below. What do you want to see us make next? As always, my name is Omar and this is Tamago and Friends. Feel free to check out our YouTube channel for more videos like this. Have a great day. Bye.